So we're at Shoppers Drug Mart, and these are the ones that I'm buying, the Ultra Shake chocolate. It's $9.99 each or 2 for $16.99. So they have, like, the only other flavor they have. Like, here's like all the options over. So it's $9.99 or 2 for $16. They have vanilla. These ones are really good. These ones, they're lower in calories. It's like 160, but I don't know. These ones like feel like they're more filling and thick. This one is a little more like diluted. And I'm looking at these, and these look so good. What are these? $10 for this. 160 calories for 2 pieces. These look so good. How many are in here? 10 sachets. Do we want that? $10. I could just get Reese's peanut butter cups and keep it in my calories. I don't know. But they have other things like Boost, Slim Fast, Ensure. But I think these are good. These have been working for me, so yeah. We're gonna get 2 of these. I drink them every day, so this will last me for like almost 2 weeks. If I don't like drink this for breakfast, I'll have like eggs for breakfast. But I kind of want to try these, but I don't know, it's kind of expensive. I don't know. So this Reese's peanut butter cup for 1 package has 230 calories, and you get 3. This one is 160 calories, and you get 2. So I don't know which one is better. Ingredients on this. I think the ingredients on this is better. I'll decide.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to, like, it doesn't click.
Hey everybody, it's Miss Philly. Okay, so we're just coming from Shoppers Drug Mart. I thought I'd do a haul because, I mean, you know, vlog footage, right? Everybody needs vlog footage. Okay, so the first thing I got was a lotto ticket because I want to be a rich biatch. And once I'm a rich biatch, everybody I love will be rich biatches because that's how I am. I'm a generous person. So if I become rich, all my friends, family, extended family are all going to be rich. That's how it works. I ain't no freaking stingy biatch, okay? Let's win some money, okay? If we're not gonna make our money, we better win our money. Next thing I got was, okay, this whole bag was like frickin' $68. Like frick. So you guys saw we got the protein shakes. I love these. I like them way better than the Premier ones. I tried the Premier ones before when I used to work out, but I just find it's a little bit more diluted and a little bit more like thinned out. This is thick, and you know Miss Philly likes it thick, so it's very like kind of filling when you're eating it, and when it's going down, like when it's lubricated and coating your throat, just lubricates your throat and it makes you feel more full. That's why I like these. And they are more calories. They're like 240 calories for 1 bottle, but they're really filling. Like I can drink one of these for breakfast and boom, I ain't got no more appetite. $10 for 1 or 2 for $16. We bought 2 because I'm about saving money and we need to save money. There we go. That will last me for 2 weeks. Well, 12 days. And 2 of those days I'll just eat eggs for breakfast. Because if I eat like 741, if I eat like 4 eggs scrambled, it equates to like 1 of those basically. So then we tried these. I know it's a little bit expensive. They're the Indulge peanut butter cups. I love me some peanut butter cups. Reese's peanut butter cups is like one of my favorite chocolate bars. But it's 0 sugar, 160 calories, 3 grams net Atkins count. And I don't know how many is in here, but $10. And it's 160 calories for 2 pieces. And I don't know how big those pieces are, but we got these to try out. And then the most expensive thing on the list, which was like, how much was this? Oh, it's on sale. Okay, good. $22.89 for these razors. I love these razors. They're like the Gillette Fusion Power. I do like to buy men's razors. I find they just work better when I'm shaving, you know, areas of my body that needs shaving because society tells us that we can't have hair there. Not that I ain't like doing anybody that, who knows. But yeah, I like these razors. They're my favorite. I have like 2 of the Gillette Fusion Power razors, so I like them. They're my favorite. Except they're so expensive. Like these are usually like $30. So they were on sale for 22, which isn't bad. at all. Yeah. But like the 8-pack is like 40, no, I think it's like $56 for the 8-pack. It's like crazy insane. Why are razors so expensive? I do not know. It's mostly like health and like grooming. Two important things in Miss Philly's life is health and grooming. Lose weight and look good. How superficial. Am I like a narcissist? Am I like superficial and vain? I don't know. Probably am. Yeah, people have been asking where to buy my bags. If you're interested in a bag, just email me. My email is like in the description below. Just email me what price you want to offer me for whatever bag you want, just because it's like I don't have my Instagram selling page at the moment. I'm off social media currently, so I don't know when I'm going to be back, but I'm still on YouTube, Avi. But yeah, I'm kind of making plans. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to Italy anymore. It's just not in my budget right now, I don't think. But I might go to somewhere else very soon. So we'll see. And I'm not going to announce it. You'll just see the vlogs there. But yeah, I guess that's all I need to talk about right now. I guess we'll do some thrifting. Okay guys, so we are at Value Village. We are at the one by my house. Yeah, we're just gonna go inside and check it out, see what they have. Just to be honest, it's just to fill my vlog footage. I ain't like even gonna front with you bitches. I need vlog footage, so we're going to go inside and see if they have anything. I usually don't go on these days because it's like senior citizen day and it's like always picked over. Plus it's like toward the end of the day, so it's usually picked over, but we'll go inside and see. We need vlog footage. Vlog footage, vlog footage. This is kind of cute. I like the color of it too. Cute little guest bag. Naturalizer. I still have like a 30% off coupon to use, but I'm kind of saving it for like a big purchase. You know what I mean? What's this? That's fake juicy. Okay, so we found this Kipling bag, and I'm usually not into Kipling, but I mean, it's a nice bag, and 20 bucks is usually a good deal. I think we might have to get it. I'll look it over, but I was also looking at there's this Coach bag over here. That one. 50 bucks. Not too bad, but I don't know. We'll take a look at it. This lug set is like 30 and like 25. Way too expensive. I don't know what shirt that is. But what did it say? I don't know if you want to get that though for 50 bucks. It seems kind of excessive. Yeah, too expensive for that. I don't know. Like the handle looks good. I don't know. I do have my 30% off to use though. I think it's like one of those big bucket bags. Can I just look at it in the mirror? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Really cute. It's in really good condition too. Then we have like this Kipling bag, just cute too. We make like a cute gym bag too, kind of. Yep, we're gonna use our 20%, 30% off. That's really cute. Make sure that there's like no rubbing of the pattern, because sometimes the pattern comes off. But it's definitely not a factory outlet bag, which is good. The hardware is really nice. Music copy. An interesting shirt. There's a fake Gucci scarf for $5.99. Very like fake looking. It's probably made of like rayon or acrylic. I don't know if you want that. I don't know. Okay, so I think we looked everywhere, and I think we found those two things that were nice. And I think that's it right here. Oh, there's an Adidas tote. It's cute. $6.99. Adidas tote. Yeah. I guess that's it, guys. Yeah, that cute little Winnie the Pooh. Is that Winnie the Pooh? $12.99 for that watch. It's cute. That faux Louis Vuitton. It's kind of a shame. It's like 30% off today, and if I had my mom here, I could have used her discount, but now I have to use like my 30% off discount card, which is unfortunate. Maybe they can hold it for me and I could send my mom down here. Oh, that's where I was in Vegas. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Box. Okay guys, so we're just coming from Value Village over there. I found two bags. You guys saw the Coach bag and the Kipling bag. The Coach was $50 and then the Kipling was $20. I thought those were really good prices, especially the Coach bag is really well made. It's very like, almost like kind of limited edition, and I love that style of bag, like the bucket bag. But I had one 30% off coupon to use, and I don't really want to utilize it, especially on Senior Citizen Day. So I'm going to get my mom to come down here and pick it up for me, because she's a senior citizen and she can get 30% off and I can save my card. So yay, mommy. I know that Coach bag will definitely, like, I kind of want to keep it for myself because it's kind of cute, but if I were to sell it, I'd probably get like 60 to 70, probably maybe even 80 for it. Kipling, I would think I would get about the Kipling maybe like 30, because those retail for like over $100. So Kipling is, I don't know if it's really popular where I live, but I know it's popular elsewhere. Anyway, I'll show you guys more in depth of what the bags look like when I get them, because my mom has to come here and then I have to haul it and then show you guys. But yeah, and yeah, that's that. And thank you for joining me today again. I really appreciate everybody who takes the time to watch me, because you know, time is one thing that is very valuable to us, and the fact that you guys take the time to watch me, take time out of your day to comment and like and subscribe is so appreciative. I'm very appreciative of it. So thank you guys so much. I love you. Bye. Okay guys, so I just wanted to talk about quickly YouTube like payment update, like what I've been getting paid on YouTube, just because I guess some people are interested in that as well. So we'll just talk quickly about it. Okay, so in January of this, so this is like collectively this year, January this year, I earned like 500, oh wait, what was it? Hold on, before I forget. Okay, so January I made 574 for that month. February I made 1245 for that month. March I made 3065 for that month. April I made 1962 for that month, and then May, last month, I made okay, so all the numbers that I just told you are in US dollars, and I know that I got paid this month close to $2,900, or last month, sorry, May. I made $2,900 a month, but that's Canadian dollars, so I don't know what that was in US. I think it was like 2,400, 2,600, something around there. But yeah, that's so far what I've been making on YouTube, which is pretty good. I mean, it's great. I mean, it's awesome, right? I mean, a lot of people don't make that money on YouTube. But I do find that when I didn't post videos for like the week, like the past week that I didn't post videos, my earnings significantly dropped to like basically earning like $20 to $25 a day. But if I'm consistently uploading videos every day, then I'm making between $60 to $120 a day. So it really depends. I think it's the more you are active, the more you're making money, obviously. But yeah, so to people who are interested in what I'm making, that is what I'm making on YouTube. Yes, it's my primary source of income. So yeah. So if you see an influx of videos, that's why. Miss Philly's a money-hungry hoe that needs her money to buy things that she needs to live. And that's why we're making videos. And also because I like to make videos for you guys when I'm not feeling. But, yeah. When I don't have things going on or busy or whatever. But yeah, that's just a little update on YouTube income. And yeah. If you guys are like, if you have the YouTube Creator app, you could just follow and track all your progress there daily. It gives you like analytics of everything, which video makes the most money, how much each video has made, how much you're making daily, how much you made the past year. Yeah, so it's a lot of like good info and a good way to keep track of everything that you need to know about YouTube and making videos. Anyway, guys, that is an update on that. A lot of questions regarding that to the people interested in my income. I ain't no rich bitch, not yet anyway. We're relying on this lotto ticket, a sugar daddy, or fame and YouTube fortune. So it's one or the other. I could be a gold digging whore too. I mean, I'm not opposed to that.